Hello everyone, welcome to Opportunity Circle, the #1 discovering platform. This time Opportunity Circle is back with another fully funded scholarship, that is Queen Elizabeth Commonwealth Scholarship. Queen Elizabeth Commonwealth Scholarship is for a 2-year master's degree program. It offers scholarships to students from Commonwealth countries. The scholarship is fully funded, so it covers the tuition fees, travel expenses, research grants, and living expenses. To be eligible for this scholarship, the applicant must be a citizen of one of the Commonwealth countries. The students cannot apply to their own country. The applicant with refugee status in Commonwealth countries can also apply, and they must have earned a 2:1 or higher in their undergraduate degree. There is no defined age limit for winning a Queen Elizabeth Commonwealth Scholarship Award. Please keep in mind that each university may have its own set of admission standards. Applicant must meet the university's and course criteria too. To apply for this fully funded Queen Elizabeth Commonwealth Scholarship, click on the link given in the description section of this video. After clicking on that link, you'll be redirected to this web page. Read all the information related to the scholarship and scroll towards the application process of this scholarship. And then click on Apply Now to start the application process. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for daily updates and new videos. Don't forget to join the official groups of Opportunity Circle on WhatsApp and Telegram, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram for daily updates and new opportunities. After clicking on Apply Now, you'll be redirected to this webpage of Queen Elizabeth Commonwealth Scholarship. Here you have to select the country and field of your interest. I'm going to apply for the University of Colombo. After selecting the country and the field of your interest, click on Apply Now. Then you'll be redirected to this web page. If you already have an account, put in all the details and click on Login. If you don't have an account, click on Get Started. After clicking on Get Started, fill in all the spaces and click on Create an Account. After successfully creating the account, you need to check your mailbox for further instructions. In the mailbox, you need to open the link given over there. This is going to be a one-time login link, so you need to update your password first. After updating the password, you need to log into your account by putting in your email or the username and the password. After successfully logging into your account, you'll be redirected to the first page of Queen Elizabeth Commonwealth Scholarship. Scroll down and read all the information and click on Next Page. On the next page, you have to answer the given questions. Choose your answer and then click on Save and Continue. After clicking on Save and Continue, your answers will be saved. Then you need to click on Next Page. On page 3, you have to put in all your personal and contact details. After putting all the details, again click on Save and Continue, and after clicking on Save and Continue, click on Next Page. After filling in page 3, page 4 will open for you, and on this page you need to put in all your academic and employment records. You need to upload your certifications as well. Then fill in the employment record section and click on Save and Continue. Then click on Next Page. Page 5 is all about the course details. If you want to change the course, you can go to the first page and you can change the course from there, and you can start a new application. And the second section is all about the statements of purposes. There are 3 statement sections that you need to fill in, and then click on Save and Continue and go to the next page. On the next page, you have to provide the references. Before providing the references, please do read the given instructions, and then after successfully uploading the reference letters, click on Save and Continue and then go to the next page. On page 7, you will find the privacy statement and application submission statement. In the end of this page, you need to put your full name to confirm that you have read and understood the above statements, and then you need to click on Next Page. Then answer to the question given on page 8 and click on Preview, then Submit. On page 9, you can preview your application and then you can submit it by clicking on Submit Application. Upon submitting the application, you will receive the confirmation email. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope that this video is helpful for you, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family.